Have you ever been in the middle of a crucial online task, maybe a video call, a gaming session, or a secure financial transaction, and your VPN just drops? That sudden, jarring disconnection leaves you exposed and frustrated. It's a moment of digital vulnerability, and it's a problem that a traditional kill switch can't always solve. But what if your VPN could fix itself? What if it could prevent that disconnection from happening in the first place? That's where Surfshark's new patented Everlink technology comes in. Think of it like this. A regular VPN kill switch is a safety net. It catches you after you fall by cutting your internet connection. Everlink, on the other hand, is the tightrope walker's assistant who proactively holds the rope steady. It's a self-healing server infrastructure that automatically and instantly reroutes your VPN tunnel to another server if your current one drops or goes down for maintenance, all without you ever noticing. This means a more stable connection, uninterrupted security, and a consistently protected IP address. It's proactive, not reactive, keeping your online presence private and secure 24/7. This technology is a game changer for anyone who values a seamless and secure digital experience. Ready to experience a VPN that never drops the ball? Click the link in the description to get Surfshark's award-winning VPN now. In today's connected world, a VPN is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. It's your shield against cyber threats, your key to online privacy, and your ticket to a truly open internet. With Everlink, Surfshark is pushing the boundaries of what a VPN can do, giving you an even more reliable and trustworthy layer of protection. Don't settle for a VPN that leaves you vulnerable to a dropped connection. Choose the one that fixes itself. For a VPN you can truly rely on, click the link in the description to secure your digital life with Surfshark.